Baking soda with lemon juice have a number of health advantages, including the potential to detoxify the body, maintain pH levels, and enhance digestion. Additionally, it might support heart health, skin protection, liver healing, immune system boosting, and chronic illness prevention. Although many health cures have become more well-known in recent years, baking soda and lemon have long been used in natural health circles. These two compounds themselves have many beneficial impacts on health, but when used together, they may have an even greater effect. To start, freshly squeezed lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that have diuretic effects on the body and are linked to the immune system. Because lemons have high mineral and vitamin concentrations, despite their acidic flavor, lemon juice is often used in cooking and alternative medicine. On the other hand, despite its various uses in cooking, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is legally regarded as a medicine. Due to baking soda's well-known alkalizing properties, it is frequently used to treat a range of acidic disorders, including heartburn, digestive problems, and to lessen the risk of acidosis. The body can be made more alkaline, and its pH can be restored with the use of baking soda. Having said that, it is crucial to consult a medical professional or your doctor before incorporating baking soda into your daily routine. It might not be advised for everyone because it can interact with other medications. Better metabolic performance, fat levels that are more evenly distributed, gut health, a decreased risk of chronic disease, improved heart health, and a stronger immune system are just a few of the advantages of consuming baking soda and lemon juice. Let's look at them in more detail below. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Number 1. Could regulate pH levels. People frequently undervalue the significance of lowering body acid levels, although preserving a pH balance is essential to good health in general. As an alkalizing substance, sodium bicarbonate may help to reduce acid levels. In turn, this may result in less indigestion and heartburn, helping to keep the body's pH level alkaline. A study carried out by Dr. Beverly Booth of the University of Virginia in the U.S. supports this. Additionally, after being digested, the citric acid in lemons has an alkalizing impact. Number 2. Could benefit skin care. According to a study that was written up in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, lemon juice is a beverage with a lot of antioxidants. High levels of antioxidants in citric acid may lessen oxidative stress and shield the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. This is especially beneficial for the skin because it could delay the onset of aging, lessen the visibility of wrinkles and sunspots, and leave your complexion glowing. Baking soda and lemon juice can also aid in fading acne scars. Number 3. Possibly have stomach cleaning properties. Long recognized as a diuretic, lemon juice may cause urination, causing the body to eliminate extra toxins, salts, fats, and water. This is excellent news for the kidneys since it might lessen pressure and stress on them, allowing the body to maintain a low level of toxicity. Additionally, a study mentioned in the BMC Urology Journal reveals that lemon juice may have anti-urolithiasis properties, which would protect against the development of hard, stone-like substances in the bladder and urinary system, urolithiasis. Number 4. Helpful for teeth whitening. The use of baking soda-based toothpaste for teeth whitening is safe and effective. According to a study that was published in the Journal of the American Dental Association. It's crucial to remember, though, that because lemons are so abrasive, they can occasionally damage teeth by wearing down the tooth enamel. There are safer alternatives to using this concoction as toothpaste, while it may initially lessen tooth discoloration and mouth acidity. Many proponents of using baking soda and lemon juice to whiten teeth assert that because baking soda has a high pH level, the potentially detrimental effects of lemon are balanced out, making it safe to use. For the allegation to be validated, more investigation is needed. Number 5. It might enhance digestion. Baking soda and lemon juice work together as an excellent anticid and are proven to significantly lessen the symptoms of heartburn, indigestion, excessive flatulence, bloating, and cramps. Lemon juice with baking soda may dramatically improve the health of your stomach by reducing inflammation, which is a crucial component of the immune system. According to a year-long study conducted by the Albert Einstein College of Medicine in New York, sodium bicarbonate ingestion increases lower extremity muscle strength in CKD patients with mild acidosis. Number 6. Can perhaps enhance cardiovascular health. According to studies, consuming water with baking soda may raise HDL cholesterol levels while regulating bad cholesterol levels. This may lessen your likelihood of developing atherosclerosis, which in turn can minimize your risk of heart attack and stroke. It is significant to note that there is conflicting research about the possibility that baking soda is bad for the heart. There needs to be more investigation into the heart-healthy benefits of baking soda and lemon juice. Number 7. Can aid in losing weight. Lemon juice and baking soda do not directly contribute to weight loss, although there is evidence that baking soda may increase energy and endurance during exercise. The resultant increase in daily activity and energy may then increase metabolism even during recovery periods in between exercises. It is still possible to support your efforts to lose weight with this decoction, even though the weight loss would only be a side effect. Thanks for watching our video. And if you learned something new, please subscribe and leave a comment that you subscribed to the channel. And we will try our best to reply to your comment. And be sure to hit the like button and share it with a friend. Stay up to date with our newest videos, like the one to the right of your screen. And remember to enjoy the art of good health. Cheers!